guys, welcome to this channel. I have my amazing friend and roommate Tioran. She's from Egypt. She wants to teach me how to use the chopsticks.
So for those who don't know, chopstick is very popular and is what the Koreans used to eat in Korea, or general Asians used to eat. Okay, so let's jump right into this video.
Guys, I did it.
Welcome to my channel. This is Nigerian Korean Lover. My name is Skadi, and this channel is born out of the love and interest for the Korean culture, spreading the Korean lifestyle, spreading Korean history, talking about K-drama, K-pop, to mention a few. So if you're interested in collaborating, email me or send me a DM. So this video, I'm going to share with you 4 steps how to use the chopstick. So stick to the end for the 4 steps.
But I'm going to let her do the introduction, who she is, country, and how we're going to use the chopsticks, and we're going to rehearse it together. Okay, so let's jump right into it.
안녕하세요. I'm Threya from Korean Food in Egypt channel. I'm here with Kadishi to teach her how to use chopsticks. So let's begin.
So we're going to be using granuts and stainless steel chopsticks to do this tutorial video.
Okay. First, use this to hand.
Okay.
Yes, that's right. Okay. And like this.
Okay.
Mm.
Is this the right hand?
Yes, that's right. Right. This you want it to be tall.
Okay. Here.
Okay. And put these two in here. Yes, that's right.
Okay.
So if you will use this, the 3 of this.
Okay.
Yes. When you use, you open with this. So this, we not use this one.
Okay.
Okay. This is the not moving,
Yeah.
but it's
Holding it.
on. Okay. So what we use, the 3 of this. That's correct. You open. What is like here?
I don't know how to open. How will I do that? Oh wow.
Okay. So you should open it
How?
like this. The 3 of it. Yes.
Wow.
Yes, yes, yes. You did it. You did it. Yes.
Yay! Guys, I did
You
it!
did it. You did a good job.
Really cool.
1. Step 2. Step 3. Okay. Wow, got it. Wow. Wow.
So guys, thank you for watching this video. Tiara, thank you for joining me in this video. I'll see you amazing people in my next video. Bye guys.
So guys, I hope this video was helpful. Leave a comment and let me know what you want to see next in my channel or in my video. So thank you for watching. Remember to like, to share, to subscribe, turn on the notification button, check out my other videos, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Sarange.